Hello student, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear students, as you can see, we are going to study unit 2nd, the master artist. In the previous video, we have done till paragraph 12 and today we are to continue from paragraph 13. Okay, so let's see from paragraph 13. Another 3 4 months passed, and finally half a year went by. One day, Signor Bartoli marched in, demanding to see his portrait. You must be finished by now, and today I will see it, he exclaimed, shaking with frustration. Okay, students. So, dear students, as we know that the master artist had requested King Bartoli not to disturb when he will draw his portrait, and he demanded complete privacy. So gradually it passed 6 months, and the master artist was drawing the portrait of the King Bartoli. Okay, is that clear? Okay, students. When 6 months passed, then King Bartoli could not could not prevent himself to see the portrait. Okay, he went to the master artist and okay he asked him in frustration that he could not stop himself now anymore. Okay, and he wanted to see his portrait. Okay, and at least by now he must have completed his portrait. Okay, now see paragraph 14. Stepping out from behind the cloth as though surprised by such anger, Monsieur Lave said calmly, "That's fine. You needed only to request it," and he pulled aside the 20-foot tall curtain. When the master artist heard the angry King Bertoli, okay, then he come out from the behind of the curtain, okay, and he asked King Bertoli not to be angry, be silent, and now the day has come. Now the day has come, and he can see the portrait now. Okay, he had done his portrait. Okay, and at last he pulled aside the 20-foot tall curtain. Okay, and the King Bertoli could see the portrait. Okay, finally he draw the curtain from the portrait. Okay, now the portrait is ready. The King Giuliano Bertoli could see the portrait now. Okay, his wait is over now. Now see paragraph 15. Giuliano Bertoli stood for a minute. Then his mouth fell open, his eyes turned red, and he grabbed what few hairs he had left on his head. As soon as Giuliano Bertoli saw the portrait, he became silent for a minute. He stood there for a minute. He did not move anywhere. Okay, and then his mouth opened with surprise, with anger. When he saw the portrait, his mouth opened with anger. Okay, his eyes turned red with anger. He became angry, and his eyes turned red with anger. And he grabbed what few hairs he had left on his head. Okay, just he grabbed his hairs with anger. Okay, he did a little huff and then a twitch, and his eyebrows twisted as though he was under a spell. And after that he hopped here and there with anger. Okay, and his eyebrow twitches as though he was under a spell. It means to say he behaves like a mad. Okay, he behaves like a mad. So he became angry and he behaves like a mad. Okay, Giuliano Bertoli obviously did not like his portrait, not a bit. The narrator tells us that King Bertoli did not like his portrait. Okay, he did not like his portrait a little bit. Giuliano Bertoli was enraged, and after that, what the meaning of enraged? Enraged means furious. We can say anger. And Giuliano Bertoli became very furious. He became very angry when he saw his portrait. Okay, he lost his patience. He lost his self control. Okay, he became too much angry at the master artist. Okay, okay. Now see paragraph 16. How absurd. What is the meaning of absurd? Absurd means funny, ridiculous. Okay, how absurd, how disgusting. What does this mean? When King Bertoli saw his portrait, he became angry, and okay, he asked the master artist that how disgusting, how ridiculous, how funny portrait he has drawn. Okay, he asked him that he had drawn very disgusting and very ridiculous portrait. Okay, what does this mean? You will not receive any money. Do you hear? None. And in anger, he asked the master artist that he will not get a single rupee, a single money for that portrait. Okay, you are not an artist, maybe a thief or a bad madman. In anger, King Bertoli asked the master artist that he is not an artist. He may be either a thief or a madman. Okay, he called him that he is a thief or a madman. Get out of my eyesight. You will leave my house tonight or I will have you thrown out. And at last he became so angry that he asked him to leave his house at once. Okay, he asked him that leave his house that night or he will make him throw out of the house. He will drag him out of the house by force. Is that clear? Okay, now see paragraph 17. So what had Monsieur Lave drawn that was so wrong? The narrator tells us that whether the master artist really had drawn the portrait so wrong or not. Okay, he could not see it. The king could not see it. Okay, the king could not tolerate the portrait. He had fused and fixed for so long. What is the meaning of fused and fix? It means to say thought and work on it before finalizing. Okay, it means to say that the master artist has not thought and work on it before finalizing the portrait for so long. Okay, it was his 20-foot tall masterpiece, and the narrator call the portrait call that 20-foot tall portrait the masterpiece work of the master artist. Okay, he was not sorry that he had drawn to his heart content his way, no matter what anybody could say. The narrator tells us that the master artist was not sorry what he had drawn. Okay, and even it doesn't matter what anybody could say. Okay, for that portrait, he was not a little bit sad. He was not a little bit sorrowful because he knew that he had drawn masterpiece work. Okay, perhaps his patron could not tolerate his cubist expression, but the narrator tells us that King Bertoli, who was the patron, could not tolerate, could not face his cubist expression. Cubist means this is a style of art. Okay, that style of art that the master artist had drawn. Okay, his patron could not tolerate, could not bear that expression. Okay, but Pablo Picasso would have been proud of him. But Pablo Picasso, who was Pablo Picasso? So students, Pablo Picasso, okay, very famous painter of 19th century. Okay, but Pablo Picasso would have been feel proud of the master artist. Okay, because he had drawn something that became popular among the people 5 or 6 century later. He had drawn, I think, 5 or 6 century. He had drawn the art style became popular after 5 or 6 century. Okay, among the people. If the truth be told, Monsieur Lave was not crazy. The narrator tells us that the master artist, okay, Mr. Sini Lave was not crazy. He was not a little bit crazy. Okay, he had simply been born 500 years too earlier. Okay, it means to say an artist who lived 5 centuries earlier had discovered the same style and received no recognition for doing so. Okay, it means to say the the art style that the master artist had shown in the portrait, that art style was the famous and popular art style, okay, of the 5 century later. He had born 5 century earlier of his time. Okay, is that clear? Okay students, so I hope you have got these all points very well. So students, revise the video, watch the video and enjoy the video.